Eto, tanong lang to ha. Mahina ba mga PBA players pagdating sa international play? Bakit sila sinisisi nyo? Iyan ba yung sa tingin mo? Yan ba yung pakiramdam mo? Let me know. Pag-usapan natin kung bakit tila maraming fans na nagsasabing mga PBA players mahina daw. At pag-usapan din natin itong most hated na shape, triangle. Bakit ba ayaw na ayaw nyo sa triangle? At ang pinakatanong ko sa inyo, bakit? Kung wala pang PBA players dyan, sa tingin nyo, mananalo na tayo? Parang tanong ko rin yung nung isang araw, no, bakit? Kung imported ba yung coach natin, sigurado kayo na mananalo na tayo?
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Pao Salud ng Pauka Sports at I'm an independent sports commentator. Pag-usapan natin itong Gilas Pilipinas. Siyempre, tapos na yung laro at siyempre medyo on high pa rin tayo sa usapan. And we're doing this because we love the game. And again, ito po ay ating opinion lamang. So nakita ko po lately sa mga post po sa social media, which is the platform that we're playing in. So nakita natin parang nasi-single out yung PBA brand, yung PBA players. Parang mali yata po yan. I think it's unfair for PBA players to be branded na di bagay, hindi magaling, mahihina kaysa sa mga international play. I disagree with that strongly. Now, of course, I do respect the opinion of everyone, but let me also share this one. So, nakita ko rin si Sir Noli Yala saying that some of the PBA players, siguro it's just, a comment na he's pertaining to some players, pero to brand it at as PBA players, parang lumalabas na inferior ang mga PBA players sa mga international players, which is not entirely true. Yes, maraming magagaling, kaya nga nakakapunta yan sa ibang bansa, magaling yan, pero it's not exactly, an accurate statement na walang magaling sa PBA na hindi magaling din yung mga PBA players. So, siguro for me, hindi lang siguro tama na ganun. And I don't think we should blame the players entirely and even the coach entirely for, what happened in this window na hindi tayo nanalo. So, but isisingit ko lang to yung triangle. Ang daming nagko-comment kasi regarding the triangle. And I think parang hindi na dapat natin mentionin kasi nag-adjust na si Coach Timcon. Although, yes, you can mention it. I'm just saying that I think Coach Timcon has already realized that he needs to make those changes. And that's what he's doing. And I think, ayoko sabihin yung yung term na ginagamit natin na learning process, no? It's a growing pain. Yan ang sasabihin ko, growing pain and without sacrifice, without risk. And these are sacrifices that yung ating change in direction in a way na nakikita natin sa play. This is what's gonna happen, especially if we do it against Australia and New Zealand, who are the top teams in the FIBA. So talagang ganon, no? So going back to the PBA players, I'm not even mentioning names. And kayo makakapagsalita kayo na maraming PBA players na matangkad, na mabilis, na bata, na pwedeng-pwede sa Gilas Pilipinas. Unfortunately, and it's hard to admit this, but this is true. It's not availability. It's it's the system and the politics that's preventing them from playing to the national team. And that's just a fact. Kahit i-deny natin o hindi, ganoon naman talaga yung nangyayari. So, hindi mahina ang Gilas Pilipinas, ang PBA players sa Gilas Pilipinas. Probably we're just not getting everything that I think or everyone that deserves to be in that roster. So, siguro ganon. No? And plus, tanong ko lang sa inyo yung sa recent Gilas Pilipinas game, sino ba yung mga tumira ng madami? Sino ba yung may mga maraming sablay? Not blaming blame, I'm just saying we need to look at this on a bigger picture. So yung mga PBA players pa ang maraming attempt na hindi na ipasok. So bakit sa ila sinasabihin natin na mahina? I mean, if you look at it on a different eye, or a different perspective, you would also realize, oh nga no. No, are the PBA players being used that often in this window? Nagkakaroon ba sila ng chance na uminit? Think about this. Now, we criticize them because they're not playing well, but to blame them because and they tell them na mahina sila, like for example, sa Calvin Oftana, na hindi masyado, tingnan mo naman kung ilan yung attempt niya, ilang minutes sila, yung mga PBA players. Double check on it. I do not want to talk about statistics right now, but you already know the answer to that question. Okay, at again, to say this, no, kung wala ang mga PBA players, makabuo ba tayo ng magagaling na 12-man lineup? Sigurado ba tayong mananalo tayo kung sila lang maglalaro? Not true. No, wag natin sisihin ng PBA. PBA is also kind of a victim of their own system because unfortunately, it is a business and we need to protect the business. It's so hard to figure this out, but the simple issue, the problem here is that um, it's um it's a patong-patong na bagay na it seems like alam naman natin kung anong gagawin natin pero di natin nagagawa. And I'm just here because I care for the basketball team. I care for the sports and we're just here to maybe sana mapukaw yung mga leaders. I think the leaders are the one that knows or that can make these changes. Yung leaders talaga. Gaya nung, for example, imported na coach. Maraming nagsasabi na kailangan na imported na coach. Ako, actually, um, um, I think imported na coach is good, but I don't entirely believe that they're the savior. Because I believe that local minds and Filipino minds can still do or can also do whatever people from outside the country can do in basketball if they can only study it, if only the culture would allow it to or the system would allow it. No, and the reason why our local coaches is like this is because this is the way we play here. So, sasabihin natin na hindi marunong. Hindi sa hindi marunong. I think it's just because this is how we play and this is the rules that we're playing in. So, I think that's the case. No, and I could be wrong with this, but for example, may isang Filipino na lumaki sa Amerika or sa ibang lugar. You see them adapt to the system, to the culture. So, yun yung ano. And unfortunately, if we don't change that here, and it's gonna be a big step, then it's not gonna work. Pero again, I'm just saying na it's not big, talo tayo or mahina tayo not because we're local. It's because, we are just maybe failing to adapt sooner. And I think we're gonna adapt sooner. Ganoon naman talaga eh. Kailangan talaga may growing pains. But surely, I think we're realizing na kailangan natin mag-adapt. And alam natin na talagang sobrang passionate yung mga fans. And ito even tapos na po yung Gilas Pilipinas and I think July na yung next pinag-uusapan pa rin natin. Again, kung nakikinig po yung mga leaders, mga players, I'm all for you. We wanna the reason ako nandito is, we just wanted to share our opinion but at the end of the day, mahal na mahal natin ng Pilipinas basketball. At also, we need to understand that fans will be fans. Fans will say these things. And sometimes it hurts. But I think the reason why they're saying this is because they truly love the game. And none of them is right. None of them is wrong. It's their own opinion. All I'm saying is that, we need to take something from them. We need to listen in a way. But I think you know that already. I think the bosses know this already. It's just as hard to do this with the limitation in the system and the politics and the culture. So again, here's my question to you guys kung umabot kayo dito. And again, we do this daily. We talk about basketball, Gilas Pilipinas, PBA, NBA. But the question that I have for you, and I read every comment, I might not reply to it, pero nababasa ko po. And na-appreciate ko yung passion na binibigay po ng mga basketball fans every day. Ako, nagbibigay ng opinion, pinapakita ko yung mukha ko, I take full accountability for whatever wrong or things that I've said. I'm not like any others na magsasalita na nakatago. Hindi po tayo ganon. So, I want you to join me in na ipakita yung tunay nating pagmamahal by, giving your opinion. And do you believe na mahina ang mga PBA players na to name brand the PBA that sila dapat yung mawala dyan? It's not right. Okay? We love the PBA. The PBA has their own problem, but that's another story for the local league. But to say that the PBA players are slow and cannot adapt may be right in some ways, but it's not their fault, and I think they can. if they're just truly given the system and the time to prepare, which is, you already know that. But can we do that? That's the big question. Let me know in the comment section, guys. See you tomorrow.